Hello everyone. In today's video, we will use the joystick control in RemoteXY to operate two servo motors. The joystick control can be used to steer a car, a drone, or a robotic arm. But first, we will display the joystick control values on the LCD from the last video. The LCD I2C SCL and SDA pins are connected to the pins D1 and D2 of the ESP8266 NodeMCU. The VCC and GND are connected to the V-in and GND of the ESP8266. And the ESP8266 is connected to the USB port. We will first go through the configuration routine of selecting the Wi-Fi access point, the NodeMCU, the integrated Wi-Fi, and then the Arduino IDE. We will also use the default RemoteXY SSID and select the open point. Now drag the joystick control to the canvas. In the element properties, I will only select automatic center. You may adjust the color and other properties. Since that is all we must do here, I will go ahead to copy the source code. Open the Arduino IDE and replace the default sketch with the RemoteXY code. As before, the source code for the joystick control is absent. Since we want to show the joystick control values on the LCD, we will copy the code from the last video. First, the include library and the LCD settings code. Then those in the setup function to initialize, clear, turn on the LCD backlight, position the cursor, and print the static text on the LCD. I will change the static texts in the first and second row to X and Y respectively. I will then copy and paste the code for the loop function. Copy the joystick X and Y variables and paste them here. Select the generic ESP8266, the required COM port, and upload the code to the ESP8266. Let's now go over to the RemoteXY app on your smartphone. With your phone Wi-Fi enabled, connect to the RemoteXY access point to display the joystick control. As you operate the joystick vertically and horizontally, notice that the displayed values are from -100 to 100. Now let's connect the two servo motors to the ESP8266. The control pins of the servos, which are the yellow wires, are connected to pins D1 and D2 of the ESP8266. The 5V red wires are connected to pin V-in, and the GND brown wires are connected to the GND of the ESP8266. To write the code for the servo motors, we will first delete the code for the I2C LCD. We will need to install the servo library from the library manager and include the header. We should also create an instance for the two servos. Then declare and initialize variables to position the servos at their centers. In the setup function, we will assign the ESP8266 pins D1 and D2 to the two servos, corresponding to numbers 5 and 4. Finally, in the loop function, these two lines will send the values from the joystick to the servos and upload the code to the ESP8266. When your RemoteXY app connects to the ESP8266, the servo's position can be controlled with the joystick. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if this video is helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. See you again soon.